Indian seasons cater the need for an extremely wide variety of clothing in a men's wardrobe, and today we are going to learn how to organize them. Hi friends, I'm Ankita, and in today's video of the Diva Log series, we are going to see how we can go ahead and organize a men's wardrobe with every distinctive sort of clothing in it. I have included the winter wears as well because this is a Diva Log series, so I wanted to show you people how I go ahead and treat the winter wear as well, because this is the time when winter wear comes out as well. So I'm going to incorporate all of that in this one video. Hopefully you people will enjoy it, and we are going to start right now. Now once you have everything in front of you, you need to divide, sort as per the utility, and then purging. Purging is the process of vigorously removing something from your collection, and I want you people to be vigorous because I am even becoming the same. If you want to declutter, you have to do the process of purging correctly. If you haven't used something since past 6 months, there is a slight possibility that you won't be able to use it anymore. If you want, you can store that stuff which you haven't used for 6 months in a separate basket somewhere else, and if you don't require it for the next 6 months, probably it's time for you to donate that stuff. But over here I am showing you people that whatever I am not going to use for my husband, or my husband, like the size has been outgrown, I have removed everything. I'm just simply going to organize everything. Over here I am using a multi-hanger in which I am arranging all of his trousers. Now this is the best way of organizing trousers or jeans, that is having a multi-hanger. Only one thing that you need to make sure is that you place the trousers alternatively so that the weight is evenly distributed. Apart from that, there is no more or nothing more which you need to take care of while you're using these hangers. They are really very amazing, very multitasking, and because there was some space left, I am using that space for 3 of his formal shirts as well. Hangers are like really amazing things, and if you want to organize your wardrobe, you need to make sure you have a nice collection of hangers. The better the quantity and quality, the even better it is. So here all the formal wears are going to be hanged, and rest I'm just gonna show you later. Everything in terms of formal wear have been hanged in the hangers. Now it's time for me to fold everything. Over here you can see I am decluttering his t-shirts. The process of purging, as I mentioned earlier, I'm being ruthless because he is very touchy when it comes up to his clothes. My husband is like, no, you can't throw them away, I'll wear them someday, maybe someday. So he is never ready to throw away a cloth. But I personally feel like there is with the passage of every day, once things are outgrowing and outnumbering us, and there are multiple things that are needed to be stored. We are continuously into the process of buying, so you need to make sure that you're continuously in the process of decluttering as well. Now over here I am dividing everything into sections. UGs and socks is a section, jeans, t-shirts, everything is like in a different section, which is something that I admire doing the most, because once you've got everything in sections, you can start piling up everything together, and while you are dividing everything in sections, you can continuously keep on removing the things that you don't want to use. Now over here you can see I have kept all of his jeans. Now these are 2 organizers that I'm going to use to organize his t-shirts and undergarments. For t-shirts, this is a full length organizer. I am just simply folding all of his t-shirts and arranging them one by one. This is the process which I admire the most, and this is the style of organizing that he loves the most. Trust me, you are gonna win the person's heart if you're going to organize everything like this. Plus it's going to be really very simple for you, because when you pile things up, they can easily drop the things, but you have not piling them but organizing them in ascending or descending order. They just have something in front of them, they can just pull it off, and rest of the t-shirts will be absolutely fine. So the piling system, I personally think for my husband it doesn't works, because he'll take the t-shirts from the bottom and drop all the t-shirts from the top. So I just make sure that I use the earlier trick, the organizer that I showed you earlier. That is the trick that works really well. Or you can take a basket like this as I am showing you, and you can organize the t-shirts once again in the standing order. The person can take out one t-shirt and without disturbing the other t-shirts that are lined. Post that, I'm going to show you people this organizer. This is a bra organizer, bra and UG organizer, but you can use it to organize your husband's undergarments, his towels, hand towels, his hankies and socks and stuff like that. It's just amazing how beautifully it arranges everything, and how much capacity does this organizer has, you people. Like, it has a lot of capacity of storing stuff, and it looks really very presentable. Like, as you people can see, it's looking really very nice, arranged and organized in such a fun manner. And here is my wardrobe completed. Now this is the winter wear. I have taken it out from the bed, and now I have washed all of them. It's time for me to organize everything. My husband travels a lot, so you never know when he is supposed to go at what place and how cold that place might be. So I admire taking out his winter wear a little bit on the earlier side. Now I have separated my clothes from his clothes. My clothes are going to be organized at a different place. His clothes are right over here. I've got all of his track suits, his sweatshirts, his full sleeves t-shirts, his jackets and all that good jazzy stuff. I have already uploaded a video in which I've shown you people how I organize all, or how I actually fold all the winter wear as well. So you people can watch that video if you want to have some inspiration. But for now, I am just quickly showing you. I have hanged his jackets. I'm gonna hang his sweatshirt. It's just a very cool trick that I have learned from Brittany Vasseur. It's just amazing. It is really very easy. You can hang as many t-shirts as you want in your hand and easily switch them to hanger. So hopefully you people might have found this video helpful, might have found some tips and tricks that would have helped you. If that happened, don't forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up. Also don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you people haven't already. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, stay blessed and take very good care of yourself. Bye bye.